Tonight, we had a one-of-a-kind dining experience at Le Petit Chef in Steinberger Hotel, Dusseldorf. This isn't just dinner. It's a show. Using a 3D animation, the world's smallest chefs take over your table, preparing and cooking each course right before you. We had a 4-course meal and watched short videos in between on how these little chefs create each dish. The food is tasty, especially the ravioli in truffle sauce. But the experience stole the show for me because I love animation. And since my husband celebrated his birthday, we got a little extra magic, an exclusive birthday animation just for him. Then, the sweetest surprise to end the night. A fun, interactive birthday celebration and a special treat to top it all off. So if you're in Dusseldorf and love immersive dining, Le Petit Chef is a must-try. It's dinner and a show